Hello guys, welcome to my Android channel. Today I am going to show this video how to fix Windows update error, update failed, and the error code you can see is 0x80070643. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue error encountered 0x80070643 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, in this I will show you two methods. The first method is you just need to open this services app. For that, click on start menu, then type here services. Click on this services. In this you need to find Windows event collector. Just select anyone and press W key. Then scroll down. You can see here Windows event collector. Double click on that. By default it is selected as manual. You just need to select automatic. Click on start, apply, then OK. Below that you will find another one, Windows event log. Double click on that. Select as automatic. Click on start, then apply, OK. After this you need to find Windows update. You can see here Windows update. Double click on that. Select automatic. Click on start. Click on apply. Then click OK. After that, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, you have to do another step. That is, you have to open command prompt. Click on start menu, then open CMD. Right click on this command prompt window and run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. And you have to type the command one by one, what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. You can see these are the commands. Just select this command, right click, copy, and press Ctrl V to paste in this command prompt window. Then hit enter. Copy the second command. You have to do the same for all these four commands. Ctrl V to paste. Hit enter. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue has been resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix error encountered 0x80070643 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.